This is the Hello World Podcast.
And siguro just for the benefit of our listeners then, Louie, because in my experience implementing digital learning, I've noted down some milestones. So baka gusto nilang mag-notes yung milestones for
Okay.
implementation. Ito, I'll give it to our learners.
Listen to these milestones from
Yes,
Marby.
correct. So if you're
Marby's milestones. So go ahead.
Marby's milestones. So if you are implementing, ito na yung parang checklist mo. Of course, the tasks, tools, etc., the people who will be involved will differ per organization. But these are the milestones. Meron akong 9. Okay. So first milestone is there should be an LMS training for the training team and the administrators. Okay. So si vendor naman magpo-provide ng training na yan. Okay, they have a set course naman who where they will, train you on the different features, different capabilities of the platform. So LMS training, not just for the training team but the administrators. The administrators, Louis, it could be the IT team. Depending again on the company, kasi if the IT team is the one who's responsible for creating user accounts, right? So it should be so they have to be trained as well. Okay.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.